Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a fermented liquid made from apples. It has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of health conditions. In this video, I'm going to talk about the potential benefits of apple cider vinegar, how to use it safely, and some of the risks associated with it. So, what are the potential benefits of apple cider vinegar? Here are a few. Weight loss. Some studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can help with weight loss by suppressing appetite and increasing calorie burn. One study found that people who drink apple cider vinegar before meals lost more weight and body fat than those who didn't drink apple cider vinegar. Blood sugar control. Apple cider vinegar may help to lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. For example, that people with type 2 diabetes who took apple cider vinegar for 12 weeks had lower blood sugar levels. Heart health. Apple cider vinegar may help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. According to one study, who took apple cider vinegar for 6 months had lower LDL cholesterol levels and higher HDL cholesterol levels. Digestion. Apple cider vinegar can help to improve digestion by killing harmful bacteria in the gut and stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. According to one research, apple cider vinegar for 8 weeks had reduced symptoms of indigestion and heartburn. Skin health. Apple cider vinegar can be used as a toner to reduce acne and other skin blemishes. One research discovered that persons who used apple cider vinegar as a toner for 4 weeks had improved skin texture and reduced acne breakouts. Hair health. Apple cider vinegar can be used as a hair rinse to help prevent dandruff and promote hair growth. Depending on one investigation, persons who used apple cider vinegar as a hair rinse for 6 weeks had reduced dandruff and increased hair growth. It's important to note that these are just a few of the potential benefits of apple cider vinegar. More research is needed to confirm these benefits and to determine the optimal dosage of apple cider vinegar for each individual. How to use apple cider vinegar safely. If you're thinking about using apple cider vinegar, it's important to use it safely. Here are a few tips. Start with a small amount and gradually increase the amount you use over time. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water before drinking it. Don't take apple cider vinegar if you have a sensitive stomach or if you're taking medications that can interact with it. Talk to your doctor before using apple cider vinegar if you have any health conditions. Risks of apple cider vinegar. There are a few risks associated with apple cider vinegar. Stomach upset. Apple cider vinegar can irritate the stomach and cause heartburn, nausea, and vomiting. Tooth enamel erosion. Apple cider vinegar can erode tooth enamel if it's not diluted before drinking. Interactions with medications. Apple cider vinegar can interact with certain medications, so it's important to talk to your doctor before using it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on the benefits of different foods, drinks, and activities.